Replacing rear shocks on a 2011 Mazda. There's 3 bolts, 2 on top and 1 at the bottom of the shock. I start off with soaking the bolts with penetrating fluid, or like WD-40. Now you gotta support the lower arm with a jack. Using a 17mm socket, just remove the lower bolt. Using a 12mm long socket, remove the 2 upper bolts. After 3 bolts have been removed, now you could remove the shock from the vehicle. Depending on what kind of shock you get, mine didn't come with the boot and the top of the shock, so I have to transfer it over to the new shock. Pull down the boot so that exposes the shaft, and then hold it with vice grips and use a 13mm socket to remove the top of the shock. Now transfer over the dust cap and the absorber onto the new shock. It's always good to stroke the shock a couple of times to get all the fluids inside working. This time use a key for the nut and hold the top of the shock with vice grips, not to damage the shaft. Now it's ready to be reinstalled. I start off with the first two upper nuts and then go to the bottom. After tightening the last bolt, take out the jack, reinstall the tire, and go for a little road test, and you're done.